Hey guys, welcome back. I thought I'd make a quick video sharing with you a quick closet makeover because organization is all about maintenance. Even though you've organized it once, you have to keep it up. And this closet, it isn't pretty. It wasn't pretty to begin with, but it certainly isn't pretty now. You ready? Okay, so this is real life. Abby is 10. We didn't invest in an expensive closet organizing system. We raised this bar up so that she could play in the bottom of her closet like some sort of troll. But I'm gonna give a quick 20-minute makeover to this closet to show you that it doesn't have to be overwhelming to be functional. So let's get started. So step one of any project, even a small project like this, is to macro sort. Now, the bigger the mess, the bigger the categories that you want to sort into. For this one, we're going to sort into Barbies, maybe clothing, stuffed animals, big macro categories like that. So let's get started. We'll take a long walk till we So it took about 2 minutes to completely pull everything out, except I didn't do the clothes because laziness. Instead, what I'm gonna do is just pull out anything that's off season. So summer dresses and things that are obviously not going to be worn until the spring. So literally in like under 5 minutes, everything has been taken out and sorted. So now it's time to put things back, and I'm going to assign some spots. Obviously the toys she plays with the most often are gonna go down in the little play area at the bottom of the closet, which is kind of sad, but whatever. And the things she hardly ever uses and off-season clothing is going to go way up high. I grabbed some dollar store containers. I'm gonna put the things that I've sorted into that, and I'm gonna show you how great this can look in about 15 minutes total. Listen to old songs and headphones. Okay, so we're all done putting everything back, and now it's my favorite part. Time to add the labels. Labels definitely make it easier to put things away and find things, but they totally make even an unorganized space look super organized. So seriously, how cute are these labels? I made them in Canva and just printed them off on my computer and hot glued them on. Labels make such a difference. They pull together, they make everything look really pretty and organized, and this can be free to do. So it didn't take long to transform this closet from chaotic and messy to clean and organized. It's pretty amazing what just spending a few minutes tidying and organizing can do. So what are you waiting for? Pick a spot in your home and do a little organizing maintenance today. Thanks so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So remember my last video, I had this pumpkin and I hollowed it out and I rubbed it down with pumpkin spice and I lit a candle to have like potpourri type thing. It smelled legit amazing. So amazing that I lit the candle again at night so I could wake up to that gorgeous smell. And what I woke up to was every freaking fruit fly in the neighborhood was on my pumpkin. It smelled so good, it attracted them all. I don't even know how they get in. How do they get in? They just manifested, literally hundreds. It was black with fruit flies in the morning. My house smelled amazing, but now I have an infestation. So I gave you all this advice to try this at home. You'll probably have fruit flies. I don't know what, it must be because it smells so dang good, which it does. And I also, yes, know how to get rid of them, but I still have a few friends hanging out. They're just chilling. Izzy actually said to me, Mom, there was a fruit fly in my bathroom. And I saw it, and then I saw it a couple hours later, and then I went in and saw it again, and it was dead. And I was like, yeah, man, fruit flies are here. They have one purpose in life, and that is to show us how short life really is and to appreciate it. And also, I don't know what else. So this is James, which is a Journey doll that used to be Emma, and we just cut her hair off to make her a him for Milo. And for some reason, James is always in his underwear, which is hilarious. But anyways, if you have a little boy in your life, just cut the hair off and take a little nail polish remover to the makeup, and you instantly have a boy doll.